So today we'll be studying the last group of carbohydrates, that is the polysaccharides. So we know what do we mean by the polysaccharides. So the word poly means number of monosaccharides units. So here the polysaccharides is made up of 1000 number of monosaccharides. So it means the number of monosaccharide units are in 1000. The number of monosaccharide units are in thousands. Okay, so now again the classification of polysaccharide is based on two bases. Okay, so 2 points. So first is it's based on the the classification is on the basis of mono units. On the basis of mono units. So now we'll see it's again divided into two. So one type is homopolysaccharides and the second group is heteropolysaccharides. So here for example if we take it's cellulose. So as we know cellulose is made up of only one unit. So it's made up of glucose, only made up of glucose. That means homopolysaccharides, the only it's the homocellulose. If we have taken the example is cellulose, so cellulose will be made up of only glucose units. So therefore it's called as the homopolysaccharides. And for example heteropolysaccharide, if we take the example is hemicellulose. So in hemicellulose we see that it's made up of various kind of monosaccharides unit. For example it's made up of fructose plus xylose plus mannose and arabinose. So as the name says, hetero means various types of monosaccharides are bound together. So therefore we can see the difference in the number of the mono units. Okay, so the second criteria where it's based on is on the basis of function. So it's on the basis of the function. So now again is divided into two. So first function is the storage and the second function is the structural. Okay. So storage, when we are talking about the storage, suppose we are taking here the example as the starch. Okay, so here the polysaccharide, it acts as a carbohydrate. So here in this storage polysaccharide we see that the starch, it acts as the storage carbohydrate, while in structural if we take the example of cellulose, so as we know cellulose helps in the cell wall of the plant, makes the cell wall of the plants. Therefore we say it as the structural unit, makes cell wall of the plants. So here we have seen that the polysaccharides, they are again differentiated into two. So it's on the basis of monounits as well on the basis of functions. So on the basis of monounits, it's of homopolysaccharides, heteropolysaccharides. As the name suggests, homo means it's of the same types of the monosaccharides. Hetero means different types of the monosaccharides. The example is cellulose, and heteropolysaccharides example is hemicellulose. Then on the basis of functions, it's storage and structural. So in the storage, if we take the example starch, so starch acts as the as a storage carbohydrate, while in cellulose we know it makes the cell wall of a plant. Therefore, it functions in a structural manner. Therefore, the cellulose is the example of the structural polysaccharides. So here we have seen the different types of the polysaccharides. So in the next lecture I will explain you all about the we'll take two examples of each, and we'll study each one in detail. So if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.